What's up, YouTube? And I hope all you are staying safe out there. Now, for today, we're going to be doing circular pattern. It's going to be a quick one just to show you guys how the tool works. So we're going to look at our part here, and we're actually not going to change the values from A to B. We're actually just going to go ahead and figure out how to do this circular pattern without sketching every hole here in dimension limit. So let's get right into it. So let's go to File, New. This one's going to be in millimeters, so let's press OK. We're going to go to our sketch. And then we're going to make a round disc that has a diameter of... What is this diameter of? Diameter is 80 millimeters. So go ahead and extrude that 10 millimeters. It's not 10 millimeters, it's 20. So, fixing my mistake right there. Now let's go ahead and sketch on this surface. Now we're gonna first do the center circle just to get a point on here. So we originally just sketch a sketch a sketch. So we're gonna add a round feature here for a hole, and we're gonna put 22 millimeters on it. We're gonna go extrude cut like we normally would with a hole feature. And then what we're gonna do next is that we're gonna just add one of the holes here. And the way we're gonna do that is that we're gonna first go to our circular tool. We circular center. We're gonna make it for construction. That's okay. Our radius, our diameter on this circular center line is gonna be 56. And in our first hole, you see right here, it's gonna be 14 millimeters. We're just gonna draw that here. We're gonna make sure our coincident and vertical are selected or are applied with our relations. And then the whole diameter is gonna be 14 millimeters. We're gonna go to extrude cut and through all. Now, there is a way to go into the sketch and actually create a circular hole pattern. So the way you would do that is that you see linear sketch pattern. There's a circular one, which you could pick a center. You could pick, pretty sure this is the center. Or do I need to create the center? I've used this such a long time. So we're gonna go back to our circular pattern. We're gonna select our center. Quit making me look like a fool with SolidWorks. I know our entity is going to be this. There we go. So our point is selected, which is going to be that center point right in the middle. And then we're going to choose our entities to sketch. And it's going to be our arc. And we could add number of entities here, which could add up the additional 7 holes. It's going to be one more. So a total of 8 holes total. But I typically don't like doing this way, because once you press OK, it's still this blue shape that you could move around unless you continuously define it more. And it doesn't record if you want like an extrude box up to surface. Like it kind of messes up if you don't have it set correctly. So the way I like to do it is that I like to do the single entity. And then what I'll do is actually go under this linear pattern, under features, go to circular pattern. I'm going to select my center line, which is going to be the center of this hole. Or you can select the outer piece as well. We're going to hit our features. So you're going to go here, features and faces. You're going to hit our features. And it's going to give us a bunch of holes, which we don't need. So we just need 8 of them. And that's it. And then we're going to press OK. And you see it constructed our 8 holes. So this way, even if we're to change this diameter to 10 millimeters, then it records that. And then you can change the depth up to surface, and everything kind of stays in tune with each other pretty easily. While the sketch version, it's easier to mess it up and disconfigure the whole pattern more easily. And also you get the opportunity here to go to like skip instances, and you can actually skip some of these if you don't want all the holes. So that is for this tutorial. We're not going to do the mass here, only because I only wanted to show you how to use the circular pattern. And in the next part, we're actually be going into a lot more complex parts. I'll give you guys a quick preview of what's to come. So this is a complex model, and this is going to be our next set of models we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a series of these. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will answer as a reply comment or as a short video between the courses to help out any others who probably have the same question as you. Feedback and video suggestions are appreciated and helps me to improve the design of the content for you all to better enjoy and learn. Thank you for watching, and all of you have my greatest respects for pursuing to learn new great things.